Hello, welcome, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching it from. I'm Parul and I am a life skill coach and a trainer. And this YouTube channel, when I started, it was all just with one thought: how can I ignite that mind sitting out there, watching it and seeing that we all are on the same boat, right? So, without taking much time, as you know, I get wonderful, wonderful guests on my show who have had a awesome experience, but at the same time there's a story behind their story which we think, right? So I really want to welcome today Neha Mathur. Neha, welcome to Parul's show.
Thank, thank you, Parul. Thank you so much for having me here.
Awesome. And I just want to say to everyone that please listen to her. She's here to tell us her story, tell us more about her, and also with that, tell us about the small little tips here and there where she feels has really transformed her life. So without taking much time, Neha, क्योंकि both of us are real chatterboxes. Once we start speaking mushkil at Chuprana, so I'll give it to you. Please tell us about you, Neha. What do you do, and where are you from? Let's know more about you as Neha.
Okay. So where am I from? We'll start from the start, right?
Yes.
It's always better to start there.
Yeah.
Okay. So Neha is a child from a regular middle class family.
Uh-huh.
I'm the youngest of three siblings. My
Okay.
father, a regular employee, he worked in the Steel Authority of India, so which his job demanded him to
Mm.
shift cities. He got transferred every few years.
Mm.
So every few years, we would pack up, go to a new city, new people, new
Mm.
environment, new experiences,
Mm. Mm.
which of course, as a child, I hated
Yes.
because, by the time you make friends, you're comfortable
Mm.
and, you're like, okay, ab jam gaye, then
Mm.
you're up and about again. But
True.
now as an adult, I feel that's one of the key things that helps me connect with people,
Mm.
right?
Mm.
So yeah, that's how I grew up. Of
Mm.
course, I did my graduation. So I'm born in Delhi. I've lived in Chandigarh, Calcutta.
Mm.
Calcutta holds a very, very special place in my heart.
Okay.
And of course, finished my graduation in Delhi.
Mm.
Then, of course, got married, moved to Bangalore.
Mm.
And I've been in Bangalore since. Just about 4 years. We lived in the US for a
Okay.
couple of years.
Mm. Mm.
So yeah, that's about me. Typical middle class family, the youngest kid of the three, so
Mm. Mm.
spoiled to the core. Uh,
I can vouch
my
for it.
sister,
I can vouch for it. Looks like.
absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
my siblings always protected me from mom and dad's scoldings.
Ah,
So even
right.
they do that even till date. So yeah,
Okay.
that's about who I am as a person.
Fantastic, fantastic. And why I asked, because they have whatever said and done, me too, when I do coaching and counseling with women entrepreneurs or young adults, I do that a lot. And I know that Neha or that me, that Parul, somehow gets lost as we grow. And most of them say that to me that, I love to get connected to my graduation, XYZ, whatever their name is, right? So that's why I just wanted to know this. And tell me, before we go further, what do you do now, Neha?
Okay. So currently I work as an image consultant.
Okay.
I operate under my brand called the Missing Piece Image Consultancy.
Okay.
What I essentially do is work on the A, B, and C of an individual's personality,
Mm-hmm.
where A stands for appearance, the way we dress and present ourselves.
Right.
B is your behavior.
Mm.
सिर्फ कपड़ों से नहीं होता है, mannerisms. Again,
Right.
very basic stuff which as Indian kids we know, but
Right.
somewhere along the line forget, right?
Right.
And
Right.
C is nothing but communication, your
Mm.
verbal and your normal non-verbal communication.
Right.
How to kind of package the three and how to become the best version of ourselves. That
Right.
is what I do coaching on, and I also do training programs on the same for groups.
Fantastic. Fantastic. And to take it further, very beautifully said. But I'm asking a question which a lot of people will think right now who are watching it. क्या जरूरत है? Like, अच्छे कपड़े पहन लिए, थोड़ा बहुत बात करना, all of us know it, we all know it, how to talk. Why do I need this image consulting? And secondly, is it only for women who are working, who are in corporate? Should they have a look and that kind of a thought that अरे हमें अच्छे लगना है? What is your recommendation, Neha? Because you've been working for so many years now.
So I'll to answer your question, Parul, I'll tell you my own story
Mm.
as to how I got into it and why I do what I do.
Right.
So a couple of years back, I have now almost an 18-year-old daughter. A
Oh,
couple of years
oh my
back,
God. Wait, wait, wait. Let me see that again. Santur mom is there on the show, guys. Look at that. Amazing. Yes, great, great. So,
nothing like that.
yeah. So what's the
Nothing
secret
like
as
that.
you were telling? Yeah.
कोई सीक्रेट नहीं है, सारे challenges वही हैं, but हाँ, so I actually went through some health challenges,
Okay.
right? I had slip disc. So
Okay.
बचपन से I always was interested into clothing and looking good, and एक वो conditioning भी है कि
Right.
ऐसे दिखना है, you
Right.
have to always be well put together.
Right.
Some things that that are ingrained into my brain is like one of the things my dad has taught me
Hmm.
कि when you're traveling or
Hmm.
wherever you're going, it's
Hmm.
always better to be overdressed than underdressed, right? So,
Lovely.
so those are some ideologies that
Uh,
I have grown up with,
right,
right? Now,
right.
what happened was I had two episodes of slip discs,
Oh,
where second time I was in a bad state, where in almost 3 months of bed rest.
okay.
So
All right.
which eventually led to weight gain.
Hmm.
It led to low or low confidence, negative body image, क्योंकि weight बढ़ जाता है,
जी, जी,
आप
correct,
कुछ
correct.
कर नहीं रहे हो, you don't
Hmm.
feel good about yourself. And
Hmm.
that is when I actually started hiding behind bigger clothes.
Hmm.
बस हम लोग की टेंडेंसी यही होती है ना कि अच्छा, वी आर नॉट द राइट शेप, सो वेयर बिग
Hmm.
क्लोथ, सब छुप जाएगा,
Yeah, true.
right?
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
and around the same time is when this whole image management as a profession came
Ah,
into my space. Because you and I believe in this, the
hmm.
timing and what is
Right.
meant to come your way will
Yes.
come your way, right?
Correct,
So
correct.
that course actually popped up for me, and I was initially I laughed at it कि हाँ, ये
Hmm.
कौन करता है?
Hmm.
Everybody knows this. But then when
True.
I enrolled for the course and when I
Hmm.
started attending the classes,
Hmm.
that's when I felt a change and a transformation in myself.
Oh.
Jabki
Hmm.
already was naturally inclined to these things, right?
Right,
So
right.
when I saw that happening for myself, and that's
Hmm.
when during the course of my, when I was studying to get my certification,
Right.
that's when I said, I want to do this,
Hmm.
because if I am struggling,
Hmm.
who already knows fair
Yes.
amount of it,
Yes,
then
yes.
there are a lot of other people who maybe don't have the time, or they genuinely don't know.
Right.
So, if I can come out of it and I can feel good and comfortable and confident in the right
Right.
clothes,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
so that's how the missing piece was born, because
Hmm.
it actually was a missing piece in my own life at
Hmm.
that point of time,
Yes, yes,
right?
yes,
About
yes.
6, 7 years ago.
Okay.
And why the clothing actually matters,
Hmm.
because yes, it बहुत लोग कहते हैं फर्क नहीं पड़ता है,
Right,
but
right.
trust me, it makes a huge difference on your mood. The colors you choose, अगर आप
Hmm.
ढीले ढीले कपड़े पहन के घूम रहे हैं घर में,
Hmm. Hmm.
you will not feel productive,
True.
versus when you get up in the morning, you
Hmm.
get dressed. I'm not saying do the works, right?
Right.
Just put something nice, थोड़ा सा
Right.
काजल लगा लिया, थोड़ा
Right.
सा. So, and it's not just about working professionals. At
Right.
that time, I did not have a business. I was
Hmm.
not a working professional. I was a homemaker, right?
Hmm.
My only
Hmm.
job was my child.
Yeah, yeah.
But it helped me come out of that. So I
Fantastic.
feel, looking good and feeling good about yourself is
Hmm.
for everyone,
Right.
men, women, working, non-working. It's
Yes.
across all age groups,
Right.
all genders.
Very true.
So yeah.
And good that you pointed out. I was about to say that it's not, I mean, again, in our society, again, a lot of times it happens that, if chalo hum next level jate hain, so women dress up. Are men kya? And I have seen, because I do marriage counseling also, so many times, some women, they come up that, yeah, I want my husband or my partner to, not dress up, but like look smart. It's not that I love him the way he is, but so very nice. I like you to please expand that a bit on why men should dress up. क्योंकि हमारे सोसाइटी में तो मेजरली अनफॉर्चुनेटली यही सारे गुण जो हैं जो हम मैट्रिमोनियल कॉलम देखते हैं सब लड़कियों के ही दिखते हैं, राइट? सो व्हाट डू यू से? दैट्स अ वेरी गुड पॉइंट. आई वांट आवर men who are watching this also should see why this dressing up or image, kind of a image, is important for them.
So, Parul, simple thing.
Yeah.
See, अच्छा लगना सबको अच्छा लगता है, right?
Right.
And
Very true.
we all love receiving compliments. Compliments
Right.
are not just for women. Compliments are
Yes.
for men also,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
It's just that they react
Mm.
differently to compliments
Yeah.
than us women, right?
Right.
So I have actually, because over the last 6.5 years, right, I've worked with both men and women,
Right.
and I've seen, actually there are more men that reach out to me than women.
Very nice. I'm happy.
Because
I'm happy to hear that.
yeah,
Okay,
I'm
fine.
so happy too, because
Yes.
see उन लोगों को क्या होता है ना, they get stuck in a
Yes.
rut
Yes.
कि
Yes.
हमको बस यही पता है, but
Hmm.
they do want to upgrade themselves. See,
True.
the core is for both genders, it's about feeling good about
Right.
themselves. But
Right.
with women, there are a lot of other factors. With men, it's simple about, I want to dress to impress, I
Hmm.
want to look good, I want to,
Hmm.
I want to make an impact.
Hmm.
It comes
Hmm.
more from a professional angle. For women,
Hmm.
it comes more from a self-development and a personal angle.
Right. Right.
The core is the same,
Right.
right?
Right.
Men definitely need to invest,
Hmm.
and it's an investment in yourself.
Yes. Very
It's
true.
an investment, right?
Yes.
Because
Yes.
अगर आप अंदर से, if you're not happy about yourself, if you're not
Hmm.
feeling good about yourself,
Hmm.
आप महंगे से महंगा सूट भी पहन लो, आप बड़े
Hmm.
से बड़े कंपनी के सीईओ बन जाओ,
Right.
it, it's not going to sustain in the long run,
Right.
right?
Right. Yeah.
So when
Yeah.
we talk about looking
Hmm.
the part ka a larger chunk, and you'll agree, it's also about feeling the part.
Yes. Very important. Very important. Yes.
Right? Right. So
True.
if
True.
I am not convinced that I look good, then
Hmm.
मैं कुछ भी पहन लूं,
Right.
it's not going to help. So yeah,
Yes.
that's why everywhere I say image management is not just for women, because that
Right.
is the general perception.
Yes.
um there are a lot of men, there are a lot of, in fact, more and more men are actually opening up to the
Right.
concept of hiring an image consultant, helping
Right.
them shop for clothes, helping them identify what should their personal brand,
Yes.
say. So yeah, it's changing. I'm seeing a change in the last 6 years that I've been
Very
doing
nice,
this.
very nice, very nice. And I think I'll just catch one thing which you just said, that a lot of men, and abhi you were talking about women that they, ढीले ढीले कपड़े पहन के घर में घूम रहे हैं. Trust me, in relationships, let's come to a little deeper and go your work and my work, what we do, both of us, how
Hmm.
that can actually impact couples. So I'm sure you have it in mind. I mean, I'll say on this channel also, surely have some couple workshops also, because these days
Yes.
relationships are not just कि अब चलो marriage हो गई तो अब लोग 50 साल निकाल लेते हैं. हमारी parents have done that, and thank God, that was the era. But life is all about change, and these days things are changing, right? And of course, a lot of people have this misconcept that when we dress up, it is for to impress somebody else. But you said a very beautiful thing, that it's to feel it. It's the feeling which matters. So will you like to
Yes.
elaborate that, according to you? And again, Neha's view, I'm asking, not as an image consultant. What do you think,
Hmm.
taking your course or understanding your course, maybe they are homemakers, maybe they are not into corporates and all, maybe they are just business owners, and they don't have such a profile where they have to think that way. Otherwise a corporate ka image hota hai ki oh suits and stuff like that. How do you think,
Yeah.
Neha,
Yeah.
your profession helps in relationship enhancement and close, more intimacy in couples or partners? What do you think?
So I think taking off from what you highlighted, right? That
Yes.
if I'm not feeling good,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
It starts showing up. And again,
Right.
I'm no expert.
Yes.
This is not something, but based on experience, I've been
Yes.
married for 20 plus years now. So
Yes.
uh, I can say that, when you're not feeling good about yourself,
Right.
it kind of starts percolating to the people around you.
Very true.
And who is the closest one around you? It is
Mm.
your spouse, it is your family, it is your
Yes.
children,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So uh, बाहर आप कोई भी मुखौटा पहन के चले जाओ, कोई भी मास्क लगा के चले जाओ,
Right. Right.
inside the house you are your true self, right? you may
Right.
you may look all happy and, oh, everything's perfect for me,
Very
but
true.
right. So I think why it's even more important is because, yes, it's obviously important to speak and talk to each other and share and
Yes.
communicate, and that's where someone like you comes in and kind of
Mm.
helps people on those aspects.
Mm.
But from a clothing perspective, I
Yes.
think staying updated, right?
Right.
And
Right.
showing one another that, yes, this it's not just about the relationship. I
Right.
want to do this for us, not
Yes.
just for me, not just
Yes.
for you. I'm not
Correct.
doing this because you're asking me to do it.
Yes.
I'm
Yes.
doing it for us. We're a
Right.
team,
Right.
right?
Right.
I
Right.
think that is what will enhance the communication. It will,
Mm.
and it'll make you feel good also, that, hey,
Very
look,
true.
I love it when somebody, when my husband comes back from a conference or something, and he tells me, "Oh, you know what, people were complimenting me on my look, and I proudly told them that I was styled by my wife," and I was like, yes, good, well done.
Good. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah.
So yeah, yeah.
Yes.
So those kind of things, it matters. And see, it's a small things, right?
Yes.
After 20 odd years of marriage, it's
Mm.
these small things that kind of,
Right, right.
you
No,
know,
and it's very important, spicing up things. And it's not, see, I'll again correct, sometimes again, people have this myth, okay, image consulting is all about fashion. It's not that, oh, what it is. So it's all about being you. But of course,
yeah,
being, the way physically we want to look fitter, we go to gyms, we join cult class, and we want to really be fitter. A lot of times
yeah,
in our society, because we see, acha, nighty mein chal rahe hain, to chal rahe pura din, you are in your night clothes, and because nobody has told, so nothing to blame. But yes, as I said, times are changing,
yes.
relationships are changing, and relationship with self is very important. I'm coming to women entrepreneurs now towards the last section, that both of us understand that if you want to succeed as a business owner or a corporate woman who wants to work and be successful, it's very important to feel your self-worth and self-confidence out there, right? So
Absolutely. Absolutely.
what's your mantra, Neha? What do you think that you will like to give, a few tips to all the women, especially entrepreneur, who are watching? So many times we all, including you and me, have neglected ourselves. Rat race में है, business बनाना है, मतलब लगे हुए
Correct.
हैं, है ना? And then we miss out, and then after 2-3 years we realize, oh यार, मतलब वो भी वहां नहीं पहुंचा जहां, where we thought, oh, the business will reach there. It did not, because it's okay, there are ups and downs. At the same time, I lost those many years. And as I said, a lot of times when people say, yeah, I really wish I could be that Parul, or I myself have done that I could be that Parul who was in graduation. I was bindas, I could do, but so many if and but, and I start blaming the world outside. So what are
Yeah.
your tips, which, as you beautifully said, you were a homemaker, you're a business owner now. What do you think you want to give a message to all these lovely women and men watching it? What should they remember, one or two things which has helped you to be where you are today?
So I like the part that you added that has helped me, because again, I am nobody to give advice to anyone. I trust me, there are days when I struggle. There are days when I wake up in the morning and there's zero motivation to do anything. कि
Right,
यार आज कुछ नहीं करना है, बस नाश्ता करो, कॉफी पियो और पड़े रहो.
right.
Just go watch Netflix all day. I don't want to do anything, right? So I
Yes,
have days like that. I am human. It's
right.
as real as it gets. Yes,
True.
like I said, I have a teenager at home, so we have our quarrels, mother-daughter quarrels also. It's not
Right.
all hunky-dory.
Yeah.
But I think what keeps, at least for me, what works is one, having a support system,
Right.
right?
Right.
Support system, and you will agree, having a group of people who are, I call them the personal cheerleaders, or
Mm.
your personal directors, right?
True. True.
No matter what, no matter what, these people have their best interest for you,
Right.
right?
Right.
So even if you're discussing something, or if they're giving you some feedback,
Right.
so rely on these people to pull you out when you're getting into that rut,
Right.
right? One,
Right.
be aware that, okay, I am falling into that rut.
Hmm.
It's easier said than done. I know,
Hmm.
I've been there. I still struggle with it on a day-to-day basis.
Right.
But have that board of directors for you, your
Hmm.
cheerleaders. Just
Hmm.
pick up a call and say, "यार आज मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा है." Okay, come
Hmm.
come to my office. We'll sit and work together. That's
Right.
all we need sometimes,
Very
right?
nice.
So
Beautiful.
have some kind, have two, three, at least two, three of those kind of people
People.
who
Yeah.
are in a similar space as you are,
Hmm.
right? Where you
Right.
can be completely candid, where you can be completely, कि यार, I didn't meet my sales targets this month.
Hmm.
Big deal,
Yes. Yes.
right? So
True.
I mean, to the world you can't say it, but then
Yes.
those
Yes.
two, three people you should
You
be able to. So
can. Right.
that's, yeah, yeah. So
Hmm.
that's number one, I would
Hmm.
say.
Yeah.
Number two, some sort of physical activity,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah.
And yes, I'm not saying it from, of course, one of the benefit of that is, you're physically fit, you're
Hmm.
active,
Hmm.
वो सब है, but
Hmm.
it keeps your mind engaged,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Very
Um,
true.
what works for me is waking up early in the morning. I'm a morning person,
Hmm.
but not everybody can wake up at
True.
4:35 in the
Yes.
morning.
Yes. Yes.
Whatever works for you,
Very
right? Just
true.
because I wake up at 5:30 doesn't mean you have to wake up at
Hmm.
5:30.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
whatever works for you, do at least 30 minutes. It could be just yoga.
Hmm.
You're just doing 10 Surya Namaskars.
Hmm.
That's it.
Hmm.
Karo. जो भी
Hmm.
है, some sort of physical activity to get you moving, to keep you energized,
Hmm.
right? Because that
True.
I've seen, and again, I'll confess, as much as I'm saying it, I slack too,
Hmm. True. No, which is very
right?
natural. Very
I
natural. Yeah.
हाँ
Hmm.
हाँ, so there are days कि यार आज मन नहीं कर रहा है, or I
Hmm.
oversleep or whatever. That's
Hmm.
okay.
Hmm.
But it important is getting back.
Right. Very true.
गिरते हम रहते हैं, मगर
Hmm.
हमको फिर उठ के चलना है,
Hmm.
right?
Right. Correct. Very
So
true.
that is important.
Hmm.
And another one is just don't be too hard on yourself.
Very important. Very important.
Especially women. Men,
Hmm.
I think, are able to handle that much better. We
Hmm.
women, मतलब हम अपने ही दुश्मन हैं. राइट, मतलब और
um,
कोई बोले ना बोले, और
correct.
कोई क्रिटिसाइज ना करे, हम ही
Yeah.
अपने पे वी टेक सो मच ऑन आवरसेल्व्स,
Yes.
राइट?
Yes. Yes.
दैट
Yes.
becomes it sometimes it becomes very overwhelming, the
Right.
expectations we only put on ourselves,
Right. Right.
right? If
Right.
there is something you're not able to do, or if
Hmm.
there's, एक दिन आप खाना नहीं बना पाए घर पे फैमिली के लिए,
Very
इट्स
right.
ओके,
Very true.
इट्स
Yeah.
ओके.
Yeah. Yeah.
कपड़े धो के आप नहीं रख पाए वापस अंदर, कोई बात नहीं.
Hmm. Very true. Very true.
So basically these things, right? So just
Hmm.
these three things, I think they work very well for me.
Hmm. Yeah.
Um,
Very nice.
and yeah, and of course, talking to people and share
Hmm.
your concerns, share
Hmm.
your worries, right?
Hmm.
एक हम लोग का इंडियन कंडीशनिंग ये भी है कि बात नहीं करना है, प्रॉब्लम्स
बात
किसी
नहीं.
को नहीं बताना. बट जब तक
True.
बताओगे नहीं तो सोल्यूशन कहाँ से आएगा,
True, very true. Beautiful.
right?
So very nice,
So
Neha.
these,
Beautifully said. Yeah, these two to three things, and I think one thing which I pick up from there is one thing which is compassion. And compassion
yeah,
हम दुनिया को दिखाते हैं हर relationship में, whether as a mom, as a wife, as a daughter. I'll have compassion. Oh, my father is doing that. My mother. Oh, I understand. Oh, my husband is doing. I understand. My daughter or son is doing. I understand. But that compassion for self, my dear friends, is very, very important, because that's the
yes,
most important person you're missing out, right? The most important person looking in the mirror towards you and saying, please love me, please accept me
yep,
for what I am. And then what Neha does after that is, once you are done there and you are there, obviously, looking good, feeling good is completely connected, because the more you dress up well. And lastly, to know it, see, it's no more about earlier it was okay, put a red lipstick, put a red wear red color, and you look bright, and you look bright and you're looking nice, right? So I think how I love to conclude that Neha Mathur is doing a fantabulous job of training people, guiding people. She does one-on-one coaching also, she does training also. I feel her number is right there, 988017345 451. Of course, it will be there throughout the video recording. Please go back, connect with her, and it's okay. Just consult her, talk to her to know more how to
yeah,
feel good by dressing up well. And it's a journey outside in. I work on inside out journey, and she works from outside inward journey, and that's both of
yes,
them are needed for all of us there. Don't be harsh on yourself. Have compassion for yourself. Be courageous. It's okay whether you're a homemaker, you're working, you're not working. Doesn't matter, my dear girls. You are who you are, and you are the driver of your life, as we all believe in. As Neha also said, I have also said so many times, we have our bad days, we have our failures. But what I think Neha and me and some of us have learned, that I will not sit back. Whatever come, I'll get up, and I'll just start the new day from the right side. Right, that's all. So thank you,
yeah.
Neha, thank you so much. I
Thank
am
you.
I'm very sure there were few things which all of us have taken from here, and I'm sure we can work on it. And please, my last thing, that number right there, first thing starts with one call, just that one call, and you might be changing and transforming yourself, and feel proud when you look in the mirror. All right. So thank you so much. Take care, and see you soon again, viewers, with another wonderful guest, another lovely story. We'll celebrate womanhood. Thank you.